Hello guys, good day. I am Reniel Mata, a 19-year-old student from Ginacot, Danao City, a student from Colegio de San Antonio de Padua. So, I'm showing you today how to sustain development on my set goals. Let's go! Hello guys, for my first goal is the life below water. So as you can see, I am here at the seaside where so many trash and garbages that can make our seas destroy. We all know that sea has a great impact to our society or to our mother nature, because also in the sea there are lives. So how can we help our mother nature or our seas? So these are my ways to solve this problem. We all know that nature has given us a great impact. Without nature, we cannot live. But why do people nowadays always throwing garbage anywhere without thinking that it can cause our mother nature to destroy? So, for my first goal is the climate action. So how do I still manage myself to make an action for this? So this is Hello guys, for my third goal is the quality education. What is quality education, by the way? It means that we should always have that quality education, or we are educated enough. So we all know that education has a great impact to our society, or a great help, big help to students or youths just like me. So in order to have quality education, so you should always have So guys, that will be my 3 sustainable programs. So in able to maintain these programs, we should always be innovative and responsible in the decisions we are making. And somehow we will make a big difference and create a great change. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe me for more updates. Thank you!
Yo, drop your glasses and shake your asses. I wanna get what you end up, feel a realness.